Hey guys, it's me again, Vanita, and today I'm going to show you tips and tricks for using Forever Laser Dark No Cut, starting with techniques during the marrying process to achieve the perfect transfer. Laser Dark No Cut is a two-step heat transfer foil that works in combination with the included Laser Dark No Cut B paper. As a rule, the foil is printed with a white toner laser printer, but under certain conditions you can also use your regular laser printer. Generally, all common file formats work while printing on our transfer media. Before you start, please make sure to use the right printing settings and never print with the worn drum, as both can lead to poor toner coverage. We always use our transfer rib to control the white toner application, in addition to many other advantages. For raster images on black textiles, we usually use the same transfer rib settings. Print your design mirrored on the foggy side of the Laser Dark No Cut. If you're not sure, you can always check by scratching. The side that comes off is the side that we have to print on. Set your press to 155 degrees Celsius. I always turn on the press first before starting anything else. This ensures that the press has enough time to heat through to the bottom platen, so that I later have the exact temperature for my transfer. First, our Laser Dark No Cut goes on the press with the printed side up. Then put the Laser Dark No Cut B paper on top, logo side up. Cover them with matte finish economy to protect the heat press. For a perfect result, the pressure of 2 to 3 bar is essential, which should be evenly distributed on the press. Since there are so many different presses, from automatic to manual, and different opening styles, here's a very simple way to tell if the pressure is evenly distributed. Cut 4 strips of matte finish economy paper and distribute them on each corner of the press. Then you close the press with the required pressure and gently pull on each strip. If a strip moves or can even be pulled out, the pressure on that side is not evenly distributed. If that's the case, you need to calibrate the heat press. The marrying process takes 120 seconds. Once the time is up, we have to work quickly and precisely. Open the press and separate A and B. The media is extremely hot, so it's a good idea to lift a corner and firmly grasp the A sheet between 2 fingers while gently peeling off the B paper in one fluid motion. Under no circumstances try to separate the 2 papers by pressing them down, as this will burn your fingers. If the process is too fast for you and you burn yourself, you can also put a piece of paper between the media. This gives you a better grip on the A and B paper separately, and you can finish the process with gloves. Both papers should remain on the press during the separation process, otherwise the adhesive dries too quickly and doesn't stick. Since the resistance varies depending on the design, I have the following tips for you. For vector graphics with design elements larger than 3 fingers wide, it is advisable to rasterize. Full surfaces are more difficult to separate, so it is more likely to tear off some corners and edges. Since you can easily separate raster images evenly, you can get careless in the end if you pull on the paper too quickly. It is best to pause briefly at the difficult parts so that the paper unrolls itself, and only then move on. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. In the next video, we will be covering some questions that you wrote to our technical support. So please subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.